Hey there, kids! Today, we're gonna learn how to draw two types of cacti. Draw two straight lines that are parallel. Connect these lines with bracket shape. Draw a shape that looks like a pot. Now for first cactus, we will draw half oval and add some small curved shape to it. Draw some wavy lines on the cactus. For second cactus, we will draw semicircle. Draw curvy lines, and the flower on top of it. Draw cross marks for thorns. Now let's color it. For small cactus, color it completely with dark green. For bigger cactus, draw curvy lines in dark green and fill the gap with light green. Color the flower in pink. Now let's color pots with brown. And guess what? You did it! You've drawn your very own cacti.